everyone and welcome back to our channel. It's Kay
and Louisa
and we're here today for a
box opening.
It's Louisa's, wait a sec, be patient. It's Louisa's first on-screen box opening and it's Paradise Galleries doll, and it's one that Louisa has wanted and we found her, didn't we, Louisa? So do you want to start the box opening?
Yeah.
Oh, Louisa, do it gently, come on. So you've got nice paper there. Okay, so pull the paper back gently. That's it. Oops, a daisy. You want to lift her out gently and show everyone. Shall I move the box out the way for the moment? Whoops, a daisy. Oh, sorry, darling. Lay her on the blanket. Oh, you look. What do you think of her, Louisa? Sorry, you was kissing her there, wasn't you? Oh, bless you. So, this is K-pop. Is it K-pop girl?
Yeah.
K-pop girl. Can everyone see her? Look at her there. Isn't she lovely? She's got black hair. She's got a pink feather there. Yeah. And a little bit of pink there. I mean, you hold her, Louisa. That's it. And then I'll just film. Don't worry, I won't film you. Just show us her dress. And she's lovely. She's got a little bib there with a little, is that a bunny?
Yeah.
And it says K-pop baby. And she's got a little pink tutu with gold spots and a little pink bow. Oh, she can be in Theme Thursday, can't she? With tutus. She's got little white socks on. Yeah, and she's K-pop baby. This is her certificate here. I'll just get this out for Louisa to see. Yeah, she's K-pop baby and she's number... Sorry, guys. She's number... 488. Yeah, 488. And she's Ping Lao sculpt. Don't know how old she is. We just found her on eBay. Sorry guys, there's a shadow there. Yeah, so she's K-pop girl, but on her little bib it says K-pop baby. And what we're going to name her, Louisa? What are you going to name her? Tell everyone what you're naming her. What's her name?
Kiki.
Kiki, spelled K-I-K-I. So she's Kiki, and here's a little rabbit that she came with, and Louisa wants to call him or her
Candy,
but Louisa wanted to look up what how you say rabbit in Korean, didn't you? Because Kiki is Korean, isn't she? And it's, how do you say rabbit in Korean, Louisa?
Toki.
Toki. So this is Candy Toki, and she's little Kiki's pet rabbit, isn't she? So we'll give her to Kiki. There's Kiki and Candy Toko. And yeah, Toko, no, was it Toko? Toki. Toko or Toki?
Toki.
Toki, silly mummy. Of course, it's Toki. So Kiki and Toki, Candy Toki. And Toki means rabbit in Korean, because that's where K-pop originated from, isn't it? Yeah, and she's the K-pop baby by Ping Lao for Paradise Galleries. Alright guys, well, we hope you enjoyed this, Louisa's first on-screen box opening. Do you love her, Louisa?
Yeah.
Oh, you was kissing her, wasn't you? Because she has that, does she smell nice?
Yeah.
She has that nice dolly smell, doesn't she? And she has little pink in her hair. She's lovely. So she's going to be in lots more videos, isn't she? Our little Kiki there. Kiki and Candy Toki. Alright guys, well, love you lots. And we'll see you in our next video. Bye.